The University of Buffalo is very engaged with really working to reduce our carbon footprint and specifically to achieve climate neutrality by the year 2030. One of those specific initiatives is really commuting responsibly, and another one is electrifying our fleet. So here at the university, we were really lucky to partner with National Grid, who reached out to us and thinking about ways in which we could think about achieving those common objectives, both of electrifying the vehicle and getting our emissions in check. And so we worked with National Grid over really the course of the last couple years to dramatically ramp up our EV charging infrastructure on campus, and we're really happy that we've done that in such collaboration with them. Not only could they provide us, fantastic service and strategy and thinking through where we would place the chargers, but they also played a key role in helping us finance the project. We would not have been able to really to put the type of chargers that we have in the field and to increase that service again for our key constituencies, but for the work that National Grid did with us. The EV team was top notch, and we just had such a great relationship in terms of both responsiveness back and forth from them, the counsel that they provided, and at the end of the day, getting the job done. And so we were able to increase the number of chargers that we had on campus 15 times the amount that we've had through this initiative. And a lot of that was because of the chemistry and the can-do attitude of the team. I would highly recommend this program to my colleagues across the state. If you're really looking to advance climate change solutions and take climate action, transportation is a huge sector. And while there are many different strategies to put into place, the idea of ramping up electrification of the vehicle, is at the top of the list right now. And programs like the one that National Grid has really put forth are tangible, doable steps to make a really big difference. So I would highly recommend the program.